Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm going to be showing you today how to remove this part of the vehicle here. And if you have loose screws up underneath here, like I did, most of these models came with a loose screw. And this is the screw I found here. It's one of the 4 bolts, and it came off. So you're going to want to tighten down all these bolts in here before you apply the panel back into the vehicle, and make sure that they're tight and firm, and you'll have a better ride quality. So this is how you remove it. You remove this screw here, these 2 screws here, that screw, and those 2 screws right there. This is the part that I took off once I removed the screws, and these are the type of tools you're gonna need. Pretty much it's this type of tool. You can see it's a star shape, and just make sure you don't lose the screws. Keep in mind that everything has to be going back to the same way you removed it, okay? It's pretty simple, and you'll be able to do it. Anyone can do it. Thanks.